Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today, this recipe includes two of my favorite things, olives and wine. What could go wrong, right? It's a Kalamata olive spread. You can use it as a dip, you can use it in your sandwich, you can use it however you want. But, as they said in the cookbook, this is only for serious olive lovers only, because it has a strong olive taste. So, hope you're ready. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is chop up a half a cup of onion. Then, grab 3 garlic cloves, chop those. Grab a skillet. Grab a small saucepan. Put it on a medium-high heat, throw in your olive oil. All right, now we're going to take a cup of tightly packed Kalamata olives, and we're going to chop these coarsely as well. You don't have to get crazy. Let's saute our onions for about 5 minutes. Now we want our onions to be lightly browned, and they're getting there, so keep an eye. Now that they are lightly browned, we're gonna throw in our red pepper flakes and our garlic. And we're gonna saute this for another minute. Now let's throw in our olives and our 1/4 cup of dry red wine. We're gonna cook this until the wine's reduced, about 5 minutes. Oh, this smells so decadent. No, it's not the first word that comes to mind when you think of an olive spread, but pretty sure this one's gonna take the cake. Okay, I think our wine has reduced quite a bit. So we're gonna take this off the heat, and we're gonna let this get to room temperature. But in the meantime, take a break. You deserved it. All right, now that our olive mixture is about to room temperature, you're gonna grab a half a pound of soft tofu, crumble it up in a blender, and pulse away. Now, you may need to add a little bit of water just to get it going. Do it a tablespoon at a time, and no more than 4 tablespoons. All right, now we're gonna add our olive mixture. And we're gonna puree this until very smooth. I think this is perfect. So you want it to be the consistency of Veganase is what they said. You know, it's about there. It's like a nice little spread, nice little dip. So now you're gonna put this into a container, cover it tightly, and chill it for at least a half an hour. If I didn't know any better, I'd think this was a blueberry smoothie. All right, wrap it up. Into the fridge it goes. Fun fact, olives are fruit, not vegetables, and are actually inedible in their raw form. Unprocessed olives have a glucoside in their flesh that makes them extremely bitter. That glucoside must be drawn out first to make way for the delicious olives that we eat today. The average lifespan of an olive tree is between 300 and 600 years old. However, one of the oldest olive trees in the world is located on the Greek island of Crete and is estimated to be over 3,000 years old. And to top it off, it still produces fruit. All right, our 30 minutes is almost up. So grab some pitas or, you know, a sandwich, whatever you got laying around. Personally, I'm a big fan of pita. Let's try it. All right, super excited for this. I think this would make a great spread for any kind of sandwich. I mean, A dip is delicious, but I feel like with other things complementing it would be even better. Mainly because putting it in a sandwich would help me to restrict how much I'm actually gonna eat. If it's a dip, I'm just gonna eat the whole damn thing. It has that wonderful bite that olives have. It's a nice little kick. I'd leave it in there probably for a little bit longer, just to thicken it up just a tiny bit more, but it's not necessary. All right, y'all, if you're an olive fan, you will enjoy this 100%. Thank me later. You know how you can thank me? Hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to subscribe and comment and share and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. The average lifespan of an olive tree